How to grow poblano pepper plants. You can grow poblano pepper plants during warm and sunny seasons. Poblano plants require good drainage, rich soil and several hours of full sun every day. Care and fertilization can ensure poblano pepper plants grow tall and produce a large number of mature fruits. The poblano pepper is used in a variety of authentic Mexican dishes. The large peppers are dried, roasted or smoked and often stuffed with a variety of cheeses and meats. Things you'll need: shovel, garden shears, fertilizing topsoil or compost, plant support cage. Dig holes slightly larger and deeper than the poblano plant containers, about 2 feet apart in an area that receives full sun for at least 6 hours a day. Cut the container off the plant soil with a pair of garden shears. Lower the poblano plants into the holes. Fill in the hole and surround the stem of the plant with the fertilizing topsoil or compost. Push a cylindrical plant support cage into the ground surrounding the plant. Add 2 inches of bark mulch to the space between the cage and the poblano plant stem. Water the soil around the plants anytime it dries out. Morning and evening waterings may be necessary during long hot summer days. Pull weeds that pop up around the poblano pepper plants. Fertilize with a water-soluble product after the plants have been in the ground for 6 weeks. Repeat the fertilizer application every 2 weeks if the leaves look small and yellow-green. Harvest the poblano peppers when they're deep green, or leave them until they turn red. Red poblano peppers are sweeter and less hot. Tips: warnings. Pinch off and discard any blossoms that appear on the young plant for the first 2 weeks after planting. This allows the plant to focus its energy resources on leaf and stem growth.